Hi everyone, this is Mengwei from the Phota Labs team. Today, I'm excited to introduce Phota Studio, a web app for generating and editing photos of real people in your life, designed to keep identity consistent across every result. Once you create a profile for a person or a pet, you can start editing or creating photos for them. And importantly, your photos and your personal models stay yours. They're not shared with other users or used to train other people's models. Now, let's walk through how to set up your profile in Phota Studio and what actually makes a good set of training photos. This step has a big impact on your editing and generation results, so let's get started. When we land on the Phota Studio page, you will see the main workspace where you can create your photos. By the way, Phota is what we called a photo reimagined. On the top right, enter people and pets. You will see all your profiles here. We already prepared a few templates for you to just try out, and now I'll show you how to create your own profile so that you can start working with your own photos. Click on Add, and on the left side, we already have some tips for you to choose your training photos that get you a better outcome. To be more specific, I'll use my own training set as an example. Make sure you choose photos with clear and visible faces. It will also be really helpful to have your photos with different angles and poses. Even better, if it comes with expression and accessory variety. Also, it's totally fine if you appear in any group shot. As long as your face is clearly visible, we will handle the rest. Once you have a good set of photos, you can upload them here, name your profile, and click Create. It usually takes around 15 minutes. So once the upload is done and you see this page, enable email notification so we can notify you. And then feel free to close the page, grab some coffee, and come back when it's ready. Don't forget that you can also do the same for your pets. We currently support both dog and cats training. Once your profile is ready, you can start creating and editing your own photos. You can either fix an existing photo, incorporate some retake ideas, or completely reimagine it. In the next video, we will show more details on our Phota Studio workspace and also show you how to create these photos. So stay tuned.